In the deep, blue silence, a whale hangs upright like a pillar of flesh and bone. Its eye is half open. Its tail drifts gently, and bubbles rise from its blowhole every few minutes. For a moment, it looks dead, frozen in the water, weightless and still. But this is not death, this is sleep. The strangest kind of sleep in the animal kingdom. In 2008, scientists from the University of St. Andrews followed a group of sperm whales off the coast of Chile. What they found looked unreal. The whales were floating in vertical lines, motionless, their heads just below the surface, their bodies rising and falling with the slow rhythm of the sea. For 6 minutes at a time, they didn't move. Their tails hung straight down. They didn't chase fish, sing, or swim. They simply drifted, half awake, half dreaming. It was the first real footage of whales sleeping in the wild, and it changed everything scientists thought they knew about them. Because whales are mammals, just like us. They breathe air, not water. Which means if they ever truly fall asleep, they risk drowning. Every breath they take is a choice, and yet, somehow, these giants have learned to rest without ever forgetting to breathe. Inside a whale's sea skull, evolution has done something remarkable. The whale's brain does not sleep all at once. Instead, it shuts down one half at a time. One hemisphere rests while the other stays awake, just enough to control the muscles that keep the whale moving and the lungs that keep it alive. This process is called Unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. Humans cannot do this, but whales, dolphins, and even seals can, because the ocean never gives them full safety. If you could see it happen, it would look like this. The whale floats still, its left eye closed while the right stays open. The right half of its brain is resting. The left half is awake, watching the world in silence. Then, after a short while, it switches. The left side sleeps, the right wakes. The whale breathes, exhales, and drifts. During this, over time, its heart slows down to a lazy beat, blood flow shifts, and its entire body becomes calm. The tail stops moving, the fins loosen. The whale is alive, but almost frozen. For about 15 minutes, the ocean carries it wherever it pleases. Then, the resting half of its brain wakes up, and it gently swims upward, taking a deep breath through the blowhole before drifting back down again. Other species do it too. Humpback whales, orcas, and dolphins all share this strange pattern. In 2017, National Geographic cameras recorded humpbacks resting in pairs, floating side by side, heads slightly tilted upward toward the sun. Their bodies swayed in rhythm, a kind of silent coordination that scientists think helps them stay safe while they sleep. It looks peaceful, almost beautiful, but it is also a reminder. Even the largest creatures in the sea can never let their guard down completely. In a world without rest, they've learned how to sleep with one eye open. While one half of the whale's brain rests, the other half keeps the body alive. Its breathing slows, but never stops. Every few minutes, a soft burst of air breaks the surface, a quiet reminder that even in sleep, this giant must breathe. The ocean around it is silent. Its heart beats once, then waits, then again. During rest, a blue whale's heart can slow to just 2 beats per minute. Some scientists have even recorded a single beat every half minute. At that rhythm, time itself seems to stretch. In 2019, researchers using suction cup sensors tracked how whales sleep by following their heart rate. What they found was extraordinary. When a whale drifts into slow-wave sleep, blood leaves the fins and tail and flows only to the heart and brain. The rest of the body cools slightly. The whale's temperature drops and energy use falls almost to zero. For a few minutes, it becomes one of the quietest living things in the ocean. A 100-ton heart beating slower than that of a resting cat. But even in this peace, there is tension. Whales never sleep for long. A full cycle lasts only 10 to 15 minutes. After that, The resting half of the brain wakes and the other side takes its turn. This constant switching keeps the animal safe, but never lets it fully dream. The ocean won't allow deep rest. Yet studies from Japanese marine labs suggest that whales might still dream in brief flashes. In dolphins, scientists have seen the sleeping eye twitch in the same way a human eye moves during rapid eye movement sleep. Some researchers believe that whales might experience something similar, microdreams that last seconds instead of minutes. Tiny sparks of memory, the rhythm of migration, the echo of a song. Imagine a 40-ton animal floating upright in darkness, half its mind awake, half dreaming of distant oceans. The entire sea becomes its bed, and the slow current rocks it like a cradle. This is what survival looks like in a place where even rest can be dangerous, because danger never disappears. Ships pass above them, orcas patrol nearby, a sudden sonar pulse can jolt them awake. When this happens, the calm ends instantly. The whale's tail flexes, and with one huge motion, it dives deep, its heart racing back to normal speed within seconds. Then, once the threat is gone, it returns to the surface and drifts again, resuming the same slow ritual, a fragile balance between rest and vigilance. Scientists call this pattern sleeping vigilance. It is a survival skill that took millions of years to perfect. In the ocean, where every breath must be earned, even sleep has rules. Somewhere right now, a pod of whales floats just beneath the surface, suspended in blue light, their eyes half closed, their hearts barely beating. One half of their minds is awake, the other half drifts through silent dreams. In the deep, even rest is a form of endurance, and that's how whales sleep without ever drowning.